Met the nigga last night. Then I wrote his dick like the bike. He's so thick, he looks like the dyke, but that's okay, cause I think his name's Mike. Jordan. He fucked me while recording. He sent me butt pics this morning. Hands down the greatest news I've received. I love when I receive 3 big balls. Look like we playing tennis. He got a big dick, I think his name's Dennis. I jerked his dick till that nigga finish, and his dick big and green, it tastes just like spinach. Dude, I love when they send me all the new. I had to make a nut cause his balls was blue. He didn't have a clue. He sliding in and out my ass like he's cleaning out gutter. Dick bigger than a tick of butter. Saw his dick swinging up in the motherfucking hallway. He like me and my friends cause we're all gays. We like dick, and I like his ass cause he's thick. Hey, he gon' fuck my butt till I shit, and his dick was dry, so I sit on